Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 17th, 2019, and I'm going to be transplanting my asarina Victoria Falls flowers into their hanging baskets here. Now this is a 10-inch hanging basket. I already put the drain cover in the bottom of it, and I filled this up with Miracle-Gro potting mix. And I'm going to be putting 4 plants to one 10-inch basket. Now, you're going to notice on some of these, they do have white on them. This is not powdery mildew. It's just something that came off of the shelf in the greenhouse that was above it. So, I'm going to make a little spot here for this. Take my plant out here. You can see the root system on here. Now this is, the root system was just watered, so that's not root rot or anything like that. It was just watered. So I'm roughing my root system up on this some. And I'm just sitting this in here. Now I am leaving about an inch spacing in between the top of the plant and the top of the container. And the reason why I'm doing that is so that, when I water it, my water doesn't all run out. And I'm not going to be covering the pre-existing root ball of the plant. Oops. Same thing here, just roughing the root system up on it. And I'm really hoping that the hummingbirds are going to like this. Okay. And I'll get the 4th one here. So, I roughed the root systems up on all 4 of these. And right now what I'm doing is I'm just filling in around the plants here with the extra soil to make sure that there's nothing missing with the soil here. Now, one thing you want to watch with this particular plant is that you do not overwater it. So you want to keep this plant on the drier side. So I'm going to finish filling in around here, and I'll come back and get this watered. And then I'll show you another basket that I had already put together. So we'll be back. So I finished filling in around the plants, and I'm going to start watering these here. Now I am going to water these until water runs out the bottom of my hanging basket. And my soil is going to sink down some, so I'm going to come back in then and fill in back around where it needs it. Spots here that need filled back in around. So I'm going to finish watering this, and then I will come back and I'll talk to you a little bit more. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all done with this. Now all I have to do is just put the hanger on it, and I have to actually go get that. That's somewhere else. So I'll do that later. Now this here is a spent blossom here. You can just take these off. And this one here is a blossom that is just coming on it. So this is going to be one of your flowers here. And this is how you can tell the difference between the spent blossoms and the ones that are just coming. The spent blossoms will have this piece here that was for the pollen. And the ones that are just coming won't have that. So you can see here's more blooms here coming. And they've been blooming a lot actually out here in the greenhouse. Now, this will not go out until after the danger of frost has passed. And then I will take it outside to its final location then. Now, I will re-water this when the soil feels dry to the touch. One thing you don't want to do, and I said this earlier, but I'm going to say it again because it's very important, is you do not want to overwater this plant. They actually grow better with the soil being drier, and the root system develops better with drier soil. So you can see this one here is already starting to trail out here. And up here. So I'll show you the other one real quick that I already had transplanted earlier. So we'll be right back. So this is another one here that I had already transplanted. You can see it's growing. Now I only put one plant in this 10-inch basket because I want to see if this one can fill out like the Lophos plants can. And if one plant to a basket can make a nice basket for us. And this one here, I'm considering keeping this one in the greenhouse for the simple fact that I'll use it then to take cuttings off of. And then I can do them like that instead of starting it from seed. It'll give me a quicker crop time on them, but we'll see. I haven't decided yet. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!